will first talk about Isaac Newton's biography and education, and then move on to my associates. Isaac Newton was born on December 25th, 1642, or January 4th, 1643, because at the time, England used a different calendar than what we use today. He was born at Woolsthorpe Manor, Lincolnshire, England, to Sir Isaac Sr. and Hannah Ascough. When Isaac Jr. was only 3 years old, his father unfortunately died, and Hannah remarried to Barnabas Smith. Barnabas Smith had 2 children who were Isaac's half-siblings. They were Benjamin and Mary Smith. While Hannah Ascough was married to Barnabas, Isaac was sent away to live with his grandmother. However, when Barnabas died, Isaac was reunited with his mother Hannah. Hannah wanted Isaac to manage her property, but he was obviously too young, and so she sent him to a grammar school in Grantham to prepare for college. It's here where he discovered his passion for mechanics and engineering. In Isaac's education career, he did a lot of things and even got 3 degrees. In 1661, Isaac started attending Trinity College, Cambridge. Later, in 1665, he got his bachelor's degree, but the math and science studies he took are unknown. Unfortunately, the plague broke out, causing Isaac to have to work the next 2 years at his home. After the years involving the plague, he was elected to a fellowship at Trinity. In 1701, Isaac resigned from Trinity College, Cambridge. And now we'll move on to Ben with discoveries and contributions.
Isaac Newton has made many discoveries and has contributed to a lot in his life. In 1968, he invented the reflecting telescope. The reflecting telescope is a type of telescope that uses mirrors to reflect light and makes an image. Most major telescopes still use it today. In 1763, Isaac wrote a book called Methods of Fluxions. Fluxions, called calculus today, is a type of math that's still used in engineering and science today. It's about the instantaneous rates of change in the sums of small factors to determine a sum. In 1684, Isaac finished the book Philosophicis Naturalis Principia Mathematica, which translates to Mathematical Principles of Natural Philosophy. This book shows Sir Isaac Newton's laws of motion and also his laws of universal gravitation. Isaac Newton also researched a lot in his lifetime. The main topic he researched was physics, although he did study other topics like the laws of motion and orbital dynamics. In the end, his work helped people like Albert Einstein with his theories and many other scientists. And back to Josiah.
Thank you. In 1704, Isaac Newton was knighted by Queen Anne. Isaac is one of the only scientists during that time to receive such an honor. I have 3 fun facts. 1. During Isaac's career, he argued with many of his colleagues, including Robert Hooke and G.W. Leibniz, over authorship of certain terms. He claimed he invented such as calculus and the inverse square relation of gravitation. 2. Isaac Newton's tomb in Westminster Abbey, London, is very detailed, showing 2 angels at a man's side. And 3. Isaac's dad, Sir Isaac Newton Sr., is a yeoman. A yeoman is a class between the gentry and laborers.